All right, so I was gonna do a tutorial, new wheels on the Infiniti. I was gonna do a tutorial on how to replace a headlight because my dad got hit on this side and they smashed his headlight. So opened it up. Bumper's gonna get repaired, easy. It was just bumper, probably fender.
On the next video.
On the next video.
We'll show you how to paint or how it's gonna look
with the new paint.
with the new paint.
So we're gonna try to polish this one. You can barely tell in the video, but this one's foggy. So we're using plastic X from Meguiar's to clear these headlights up. First step, you're gonna wanna pour some on the headlights. We're gonna do it by hand. I didn't have the extension cable to do it with the buffing machine, but we're gonna first do it by hand. Another step you could also do, because we clear coated them, we didn't buff them, we didn't polish them. First we wet sanded them, then we buffed them, and then clear coat so they don't yellow again. But right here he's gonna do it by hand with polish. Oh, this took us like, say 20 minutes. This is what they look like now. Does look better than what it used to look like. A little clear. The Meguiar's plastic X. Now it's clean. Now it looks nice and clean.
Not exactly like
It's not
like the new one,
It's not gonna look like the new headlight, you know.
but looks okay.
Well, it looks better than what it used to.